The science behind why we sweat. Have you ever wondered why we sweat? We all know that sweating is a natural bodily function, but what's actually going on when we sweat? In this video, we'll explore the science behind why we sweat and why it's such an important function for our bodies. Regulating body temperature. One of the main reasons we sweat is to regulate our body temperature. When our body temperature rises, such as when we're exercising or in a hot environment, our brain sends a signal to our sweat glands to produce sweat. As the sweat evaporates from our skin, it helps to cool our body down. Removing toxins. Sweating is also a way for our bodies to remove toxins. When we sweat, we release salt, water, and other substances that can build up in our bodies and cause harm. This is why sweating is an important part of the body's natural detoxification process. Protecting our skin. Another important function of sweat is to protect our skin. Sweat contains natural antimicrobial properties that can help to fight off harmful bacteria and other microorganisms that can cause infections. Sweat also helps to keep our skin hydrated and prevent dryness and cracking. Signaling emotional states. In addition to its physical functions, sweat can also be a signal of our emotional states. When we're nervous or anxious, our sweat glands can produce more sweat, which can lead to noticeable sweating on our hands, feet, and underarms. This is because the nervous system triggers the release of sweat in response to emotional stress. Genetics and sweat glands. Finally, it's worth noting that the amount of sweat we produce can be influenced by genetics. Some people have more sweat glands than others, and some people may produce more sweat than others in response to certain stimuli such as exercise or stress. Sweating is a natural and important bodily function that helps to regulate our body temperature, remove toxins, protect our skin, and signal our emotional states. By understanding the science behind why we sweat, we can appreciate the incredible complexity and sophistication of the human body.